Adorn. To decorate or add beauty to something. Example: she adorned the Christmas tree with beautiful ornaments. Replenish. To fill something up again. Example: we need to replenish the water in the tank. Amplify. To make something louder or stronger. Example: the speaker amplified the sound to reach the back of the hall. Pardon. To forgive someone for something. Example: he asked for pardon after accidentally bumping into her. Boo. A sound made to show disapproval or to frighten someone. Example: the audience started to boo when the performer made a mistake. Gush. To express strong feelings or emotions. Example: she couldn't help but gush about her new puppy. Vie. To compete or strive for something. Example: both teams vie for the championship every year. Dissuade. To convince someone not to do something. Example: I tried to dissuade him from making the risky decision. Diverge. To go in different directions. Example: the two paths diverged in the forest. Converge. To come together from different directions. Example: the two rivers converge at the valley. Circulate. To move around or spread out. Example: the news quickly circulated through the office. Speculate. To guess or form an opinion without sufficient evidence. Example: they speculate that the company might launch a new product next year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.